Durable Lambda provides out-of-box deduplication mechanism with the help of argument called durable execution name. Let's understand how it works. So if I go to test and here this is my test event, which is empty.json object. Here I have this extra um, input that I can fill, and it says durable execution name. So if I put test here and let's call it test1 and run the test. So what will happen in my durable executions? I will see a new execution and its name is test1. Now what will happen if I try to run a test again with same execution name? This workflow will not run again. So let's see if I run again test, and if I see here, there is no test1. There's no test1 again here. It's like unique, and there will be no new execution until this test1 is in the durable execution history. So how it is helpful is that imagine a situation where you are reading events from SQS queue, and it do not guarantee that same message will not be delivered twice. So if you are triggering your Lambda function for messages from SQS queue, it is possible that for same message your Lambda might be triggered twice. And to make sure that Lambda is not triggered twice, you might have to implement DynamoDB, where you check that my function already ran for this ID or not. But in case of durable Lambda, we have this feature which makes this thing very simple. Now let's do same thing using CLI. So I will use Cloud Shell, and here I will paste the command, and command is AWS Lambda invoke to run the Lambda function, and then function name. Notice here I am using latest version, but in production it should be a proper alias pointed to a particular version. And then invocation type event, and at the end here I have durable execution name as test456. So let's hit enter, and it executed. Here also I can see test456, but if I run it 2-3 times again, I will not see new occurrences.